fire in a rail yard train car near New York's Penn Station injured 5 people and disrupted service for commuters early Friday. AP reports that the incident snarled New Jersey Transit, Amtrak, and Long Island Railroad service into New York. New Jersey Transit said on X that an Amtrak train car was on fire in one of the Hudson River tunnels. AP reports that the agency also said overhead wire damage was part of the problem, warning that impacts would last through the morning rush. Amtrak said it suspended service until at least noon Friday because of maintenance from the extinguished fire in the New York area. AP reports that the company warned of lengthy delays for trains traveling north of New York. Fire officials said about 100 firefighters responded early Friday. AP reports that 5 people were hurt, and 2 of them were taken to a hospital. Their conditions were not immediately known. The location is why this spread so quickly. Penn Station sits under Madison Square Garden and can serve roughly 600,000 passengers daily through Amtrak, the New York Subway, New Jersey Transit, and the Long Island Railroad. The bigger question is how resilient New York's rail network really is. One fire near a critical hub was enough to ripple across multiple systems, showing how quickly a local emergency can turn into a regional commuting mess.